things are close to the freeway. I don't have to air up as far. So. Low enough where the ride will be better, but not where I'm like compromising fuel efficiency too much too.
I'm pretty surprised you haven't switched tanks yet.
Yeah, it'll be interesting to see when I do switch. Sometime today, probably.
Yeah.
If we make it through the day and I don't have to switch tanks, I'll be happy. I don't have to worry about it. If we have to switch sometime today, it'd be like,
Is your second tank smaller?
No, it's actually bigger, but going up hills like this, the fuel from this tank will flow into that tank.
Oh, okay.
So then I'll have to switch tanks earlier, but then when I switch, or later, but when I switch tanks, there's not as much in the front tank as there could be. So then I'm guessing how far I could go.
Spotting them, I think.
Yeah. You see a structure up, so there's supposed to be part of a tramway still in there. I don't know how far up it goes. Hopefully it doesn't go too far. But it looks like a steep climb.
Yeah. Well, it looks like something like up on the hillside too.
Yeah.
There. Just a little.
Let our air down before we got to this stuff.
Suspension creaking a little?
Yeah, a little bit.
landed.
Yeah, everybody brought cash.
Yeah.
I wonder what their safety record is like. I understand that the restaurant at the top is worth it.
Glad I aired down.
Yeah, that was a really good choice, sir. Thank you. Yeah, Antelope Island, there's a little shop there that serves burgers and buffalo burgers. Wonder what they got on the menu here.
An old fridge.
Well.
You know what they were mining in this area?
I sure don't. I'd have to look it up on my back. I would assume gold and silver, but the only thing I think that they would want this much work to get to, like other stuff, is just not that valuable.
Yeah, I was right. I could see that little structure up there from all the way back.
Yeah.
GMC.
Wow. I think I'm gonna park right here because I can turn around.
Hey, good luck, everybody else. I'm gonna guess that this is the wire for the tram line. Is that it?
Kind of unnerving how many 2-ton trucks we've seen on this trip that only made it one way.